welcome back. So as you can see, today is going to be more of a vlog because I'm outside. And why am I outside? Because I'm here to get my health checkup done. So once I get back home, I'll let you know what it was for and also the entire process of getting your appointment and then if you require any cash or not. Now that we are always at home, it feels so good to step outside, and today as you can see it's sunny, so I'm really enjoying this. I have to figure out where exactly I have to go, so it's in this block itself. Let's find out. So I'm inside now, as you can see, and my appointment is at 5, so I'm just waiting in this room till the doctor comes. Let's see how this entire thing goes. So I got done with my appointment and by God's grace everything is normal. I was just overthinking it, but since I did not had any checkup done for the last 1.5 years, I thought that it's high time I should go. So the doctor said that everything is fine, but still she suggested a few tests which I have to go for on empty stomach, so that did not happen today. They have given me a list of labs where I can go, and of course it will be covered under OHIP. This was also covered under OHIP. I did not have to pay anything. And the other thing that I heard a lot about when I was researching about going to the doctors for the first time, and in general healthcare here, that you get only 5 minutes and the doctor just hurries you up. I personally did not encounter that. The doctor was really patient with me. She asked me a lot of questions and checked my pulse, my heart rate, and also my blood pressure. There were not a lot of patients in the clinic that I went to, so I think that this might be the case. The clinics which are busier, of course the doctors will only have a certain amount of time to see you, but here I did not experience that. I'm in Dollarama right now and I'm here to find stuff for cleaning the floor, like the pocha. Let's see if I'm able to find that. They also have this stuff. I am confused. What should I buy?
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
I do not remember if I mentioned that I have to get my blood test and urine test done. So today, it's a different day. Today I'm going to go to the lab. The clinic gave me this list. I can go to any one of these labs. This is just a suggestion. I can also go to some other place. But 2 of these are nearby, so I think it suits me well. I did not do the test that day. One, because it was already evening and the labs would have been closed. Second, this is a test required to be done on fasting. So it's 8 a.m. and I'm just going. And since I know that today I don't get to eat anything, I am super hungry. So first I'm going to get my blood test and I'll grab something on the way. There's another thing that I have to do. I have to collect my laptop. So the company is giving me a new laptop. So I'll take you along with me throughout the journey. Now let's go. I'm at Finch Avenue West. They have made this designated pedestrian walkway so that we don't have to be clueless where to go. And my lab is just right around the corner. I haven't had a blood sample taken guaranteed for a minimum of 1.5 years, but it's been a long time. I'm going today. I'm not afraid of needles, but still. Oh, that's 1315. That's my lab there. A lot of construction noise. Let's see where I have to go. Although the name is not mentioned here, that's by a different name, but I have the unit number, so I don't need to call. And let's go. So I just checked in and there's this online, not an app, but just a link that you go to of this lab, and I just selected my test and the time is just 0 minutes, but I do not see anyone, so I don't know if I have to call someone. Let's see. This is my first time here in Canada getting this done. Done with the blood test. Apparently there was no urine test that was required. It was a quick process. Only the waiting time, I had to wait for around 15 minutes. Of course that's not quick, but I think there was only one staff today at the lab, so that's why the delay. And the blood test, you know how it is. But yeah, I did not feel that much pain. So now she has told me that the doctor will receive the results within 2 days and then she'll contact me directly. Now I'm headed to get my new laptop. So let's go there. But first, I'll see if I can grab a bite. I'm hungry. Finally, I reached home after like 4 hours. That's the disadvantage of not having a car here. I think if I had a car, then it would have just taken around 1.5 hours. So, see, and this on my way back, I just bought this. I'm trying this for the first time and I already drank it because I needed hydration. I did not have anything since morning. So I knew that my lunch is prepared, but still I wanted something chill. So that's why I thought, okay, I have heard a lot of reviews about this. This is Booster Juice. It's just near my building. So I bought it and yeah, it's good. Now let me show you my salad, which I'm really proud of. And since I've put that in the container, it looks like you have just ordered it, but I swear I haven't ordered this. Ta-da! So what I have in here is white chane, black chane, then cucumber, paneer, tomatoes, coriander, and also corns, if you can see right there. And I have bell peppers. If you have watched one of my earlier videos, I have told how much I love those. And I just put black pepper and salt. And this is pretty simple and delicious. And I have garnished this with black pepper, salt. And I just got one Italian salad seasoning or dressing from Walmart just to explore. And I put that on top of this and it's really yummy. So let me just explain you the checkup experience here. So first I saw health clinics near me and some of those, they had appointments 1 month later. And I was like, oh my god, I will have to wait for 1 month, because I called that guy and I already saw in Calendly the date, but I thought that maybe if I call they can do something about it. So the guy said that yeah, you can go and book it on Calendly, and I said, oh, so the nearest date available is this? And he said yes, and I'm like, no, I'll have to think of something else. Then I saw one other which was nearby, and luckily the appointment was available. So the process was that I emailed them that I want to book an appointment and these are the symptoms. So after the email, I got this response that first you'll have a phone call with the doctor, and if they think that they want to invite you to the clinic, then only you'll come. So I had a pretty lengthy discussion, about 20 minutes. It wasn't just that's what I read on the internet, that here doctors just give you 2 minutes and out. That's it. But with me, there was nothing like it. On the phone call also, the doctor was really patient, asked me about a lot of symptoms or my health history, and then she said that okay, you can come into the clinic and we'll see your blood pressure. So why I went to the clinic in the first place is that I felt heaviness in my chest, and I knew that it wasn't COVID because I didn't go anywhere. And then because I'm at home, I took the situation more seriously. I was overthinking. I heard my heartbeat and I was thinking that oh, it's beating too fast. And while I was sleeping, then I thought that when I sleep especially, then it beats too fast. I don't know if it actually did or I was just overthinking, because I was closely monitoring whatever was happening. So I went to the doctor. She just did a general checkup. Everything was fine. So I said that it's been 1.5 years that I did not have any health checkup. So do I need blood tests or urine tests? She said that it seems that you are good, but yeah, let's do it for once and then we'll see. So she just gave me the form. Okay, but where to do this health checkup? I thought that I'll do it in the clinic itself. She said that the receptionist will guide you. So I went to the receptionist and she handed me a paper with the list of labs where I could go to. It wasn't that I had to go to those only, but it was just a suggestion. So I checked one nearby and I asked them if I need to book an appointment, and they said that no, it's just walk in. When you walk in, just have that online check-in on our website. So today I went there and she took my blood sample and none of this was paid. Neither the doctor's appointment nor the lab test. So I have my OHIP card, so everything was insured in that itself. So now I asked the lab technician what will happen next is that they'll directly forward the result to my doctor, and then my doctor will call me up to tell me the result and to see if anything else is needed. Now I'm off to have my lunch because I'm super hungry. Did not eat anything, just had this juice. And I hope that you did like this video, and a lot of people do request vlogs. So I hope that you enjoyed this. Now, if you did like this video, make sure that you hit that like button and smash that subscribe button, and also press that bell icon. Until my next video, stay happy and take care. Bye.